Okay, just about less than 3 minutes to go for trade to shut today, and you're looking at the Nifty finding its base at 11,000 still. For the broader markets, we are down about 1.5%. For the mid-cap index, for the small-cap index, down about 1.25%. And this seems like just the right finish for the big day tomorrow, given the fact that the markets have held on to critical levels. The mid caps and the small caps, yes, they've been seeing unwinding. Yes, they've shaved off about 5 to 6% over the course of the last 7 sessions. But that would be seen more in the context of the rally that the broader markets witnessed all of 2017, where the outperformance to the benchmark and the large caps was fairly significant. So, in that context, this would just seem like a bit of a blip, an adjustment, a correction, so to speak, to an extended trade. And, on a yearly or 52-week chart, that would pretty much get aptly captured. But the market per se, holding steady, we are well above 11,000. I think that's the key headline coming in ahead of the budget. Eicher Motors is your top gainer, followed by Tech Mahindra, followed by Hindalco, Kotak Bank, Reliance Industries. Those are the stocks which have held out in the session today. BPCL, Tata Motors, India, Innocent Bank and Asian Paints are some of the other notable gainers. Among losers, it's Dr. Reddy's that continues to get punished. 4% down, closing into 2200. There's Tata Steel, which is down about 3% odd. UPL, Indiabulls Housing Finance, Cipla, Lupin. The entire pharma basket actually has been weaker. And the consumption themes as well, the big consumer duo, that HUL and ITC, are down about 1.5%. And financials, well, it's been a nothing sort of day for them. But I would say that on the large caps at least, this is still a stable move getting into the big policy event. While the mid caps, yes, there's been some unwinding there. Aisha?
Yeah, that seems to be the case right now. The broader markets are the ones which have seen pressure. By the way, just look at names like Tata Steel, that's down about 8%. You've got PC Jewelers as well, which has closed in with losses for itself in today's trading session. Some of the other candidates of losses in today's trade have been the likes of Kajaria Ceramics, Fortis. We just told you why the Delhi High Court has ruled in favor of Daiichi Sankyo. At least that's the latest update that we're picking up. On the flip side though, there's TV18 Broadcast, there's Kaveri Seeds, Apollo Hospitals. PVR is held out very smartly. We were just chatting with the management, and Infratel as well goes home with gains for itself. For the Nifty, I think the most important takeaway is the fact that we've managed to hold on to that and maintain the crucial support of that 11,000 level. Tata Steel, of course, has gone X-right today, so it wouldn't be really fair to judge it by that 8% downfall in Tata Steel. But aside of that, there's also been some pressure on sporadic pharma names, DRL, Cipla, Lupin, Sun Pharma, they've been under pressure. Some of the IT names as well, and Infi, TCS, they've gone down. I want to see what ICICI Bank is up to. The numbers should be out any minute. You've also got numbers slated to come out from L&T as well as Vedanta, all post-market hours now. So they are going to be important stocks to track. ICICI Bank closes in flat but has seen a very sharp recovery from the lows of the day. L&T just a little bit soft in trade.